Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a replica of the Garelli Mini Bat, which is a 118 scale die-cast motorcycle replica manufactured by leomodels, which is a Chinese manufacturer, and I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing die-cast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Garelli Mini Bat replica comes mounted on a base plate with the model name on it and in a standard clamshell type box, which is a standard boxing by Leo models. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the packaging and get this thing open. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this 118 scale Garelli Mini Bat diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic. And I should admit that this model is amazingly detailed to the T and looks quite stunning and is definitely a miniature version of its real life counterpart. Which brings us to the price, which I should admit that this replica by Leo models is way more heavy on the pockets compared to the regular 118 scale diecast motorcycle brands. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this replica measures in at 8 cm in length, 6 cm in height, 4 cm in width, and weighs in approximately at about 100 grams, which are not the standard 118 scale diecast motorcycle specs, which we will discuss in a bit, so stay tuned. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the features and the functionality of this 118 scale Garelli Mini Bat diecast replica, and please do let me know as to what are your favorite features regarding this awesome diecast replica in the comments below. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. Well, I should once again admit that this diecast replica is amazingly detailed considering its size, and I'm mind blown after getting a hands on. However, as I mentioned earlier, this replica does not fall into the usual 118 scale diecast motorcycle specs and is actually quite smaller in size compared to the standard 118 scale diecast motorcycles. But I guess this is because in real life, the Garelli Mini Bat is actually a mini bike and Leo models scaled it down according to its real life proportions, but that's my opinion. So please go ahead and let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts regarding the scale model. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and make a side-by-side comparison of this Garelli Mini Bat alongside the Honda Monkey, which is also a 118 scale diecast mini bike replica by Welly, and also alongside a 118 scale diecast Vespa scooter by Maisto. And this is just to give you an idea about the scale and size differences, so let's go ahead and take a look. Well, by the looks of it, it's sure obvious that there is quite a difference in size. But irrespective of that factor, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and amazingly detailed diecast replica of the Garelli Mini Bat, and I'm glad that I got this model to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a mini bike enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Garelli Mini Bat replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors. And this amazing mini motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on Garelli motorcycles coming up. Garelli Motorcycles was an Italian moped and motorcycle manufacturer. It was founded in 1919 by Adalberto Garelli. At age 22, Adalberto Garelli received a degree in engineering and dedicated his work to developing and perfecting the two-stroke engine for Fiat. Garelli quit in 1911 due to Fiat's lack of enthusiasm for the two-stroke engine. He continued his own engine design between 1911 and 1914, which resulted in the 350cc split single-cylinder engine. Garelli worked for other motorcycle manufacturers from 1914 to 1918, during which time he won a competition organized by the Royal Italian Army to design a motorcycle with which he used his 350cc split single engine. The Garelli 350cc split single stayed in production until 1926 and made a major impact in racing. The company also produced motorcycles for the Royal Italian Army. After World War II, Garelli concentrated on producing smaller bikes and mopeds for the European market. In 2019, in the centenary year of the foundation, the brand returned into the market with fully electrical products such as the Cyclone 658, which is an e-bike in collaboration with the Marco Simoncelli Foundation. And for further information on Garelli motorcycles, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Garelli Mini Bat replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Garelli die-cast motorcycle replica. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.